Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta by hand. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 large eggs. Make sure your work surface is clean and spacious, as you'll be doing a lot of kneading. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade pasta. Now let's mix the dough. Create a well in the center of your flour pile and crack the 2 eggs directly into it. Gently whisk the eggs, slowly pulling in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, it's time to knead. Work the dough for about 10 minutes, pushing and folding until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, which is key for great texture. After kneading, wrap your dough tightly and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This allows the gluten to relax, making it much easier to roll. Next, divide the dough and roll each piece very thinly, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shapes, whether it's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or another favorite. You're almost there. To cook your beautiful fresh pasta, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your pasta and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. It should be al dente, meaning tender with a slight bite. Drain quickly and serve immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy the incredible taste and texture of your homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.